Ready?
Hello everybody. Happy Friday.
Are you a cutie? Am I allowed to pet your belly? Hey?
Isn't he beautiful? Oh my god. He's gorgeous. Oh, he's looking straight at me.